Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I received some happy mail since my Love From Lizi June 2020 card kit arrived today. This is an exclusive Love From Lizi kit. The theme is safe and sound, and this kit is absolutely stunning. So let me go ahead and jump into the A4 bag. As always, there are 5 sheets of cardstock. This is 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a jade green, navy, this beautiful pink. There's purple, and then also a sheet of white, which is alcohol marker friendly. For the specialty paper, there are 2 sheets this time. They're both 8.5 by 11. The first one is a beautiful vellum sheet with lots of flowers. And the second is a sheet of acetate and has all of these lovely, kind of a paintbrush look going across the back. So those are going to be really fun to use. Next, there is a large sheet of decoupage. There are 3 different images, and they're all labeled so you'll know which one to put next. The pieces are not pre-cut, so you will need to do some fussy cutting, but these are always fun to use, and you can stretch the pieces since you could just add maybe that first layer and then the second one on another card. For the pattern paper this month, this is all single-sided. There are 14 sheets of 6 by 6 paper, and these designs are just beautiful. I absolutely love the colors. There's purples and yellows, pink and teals. Some of the sheets have larger images. There's a few that have the same images, but just the background is slightly different. But the images all reflect the kit theme of safe and sound. So you have little girls looking out the window. Some of them are just relaxing in a chair. There's this darling little kitty cat. There's some with some donuts, a little computer. And then some of it just the girls standing, maybe dancing. So these are just beautiful. I can't wait to use these. And then next is the stamp set. So there are 2 large images. These are basically the same that are on the pattern paper, and then there's a couple small images, the cat, the coffee cup, and then a little heart. And then there are 5 sentiments. So there's stay safe and sound, cozy living, enjoy the quiet, missing you, and enjoy your you time. The kit also includes a very large pack of ephemera. So later on, I'm going to lay all of these pieces out so you can see every single piece. This really is a large pack, but it's beautiful. The peel-offs this month are a fuchsia pink mirror color in the straight design. These are so beautiful. And if you haven't used the straight design, these are all the same width. They're about 1/8 of an inch wide. There's also a coordinating die set. So there'll be 1 die for each of the 5 images on that stamp set. So Lizi doesn't always have the dies, so this is really fun. And then there are also 4 sentiment dies. So there's love and miss you, love you, miss you, and then also stay safe. And each of the sentiments has 2 different dies, so it'll cut out the word, and then you'll also have that outline around the words. There are 5 colors of ribbon. These have a satin finish to them. You'll receive 1 meter of each color. It's really pretty. And then next are the glitter enamel dots. And I'm hoping you can catch how sparkly these are. There are 3 different sizes, and they come in 5 different colors. And then as always, you'll get a sample size bag of the sequin mix. You can always purchase the larger full-size bag as an add-on if you really like to have sequins. And Lizi did include some Nuvo drops this month. This is the crystal drops in the double denim color. And then there's also something a little different included. It's a pack of Post-it notes. So they're mostly blank. On the bottom, the sentiment is, I made you this card with love and hope you enjoy it. My greeting is on this sticky note so you can pull it off and reuse the card to brighten someone else's day. So you could take one of these Post-it notes and put it on the inside of the card you send somebody, write your note on there. They could peel it off and then reuse that card and send it to somebody else. That way they can share the love again. So that's really fun. So that is everything that's included in the June 2020 kit. And here is a full picture of all of the ephemera that's included. I really had to zoom my camera out quite a bit to catch all of these beautiful pieces. So now moving on to some of the add-ons. There is an additional stamp set that you can purchase as an add-on. There's 2 more of the images with the little girls and then a few more sentiments. So it has love, can't wait to see you, and sending love from my home to yours. There are 2 different peel-off bundles this month. This is the first one, has beautiful pink holographic peel-offs now in the straight design. And then there's some of the blue mirror in the straight. There's some silver glitter in the sway, and then the brown mirror in the pinstripe. And then the other bundle is all the pinstripe design. So it's all pinks and purples. So some of it's in the mirror. This next one has the moon dust finish. And then the other 2 have the mirror finish. It's really pretty. If you like pink and purple, this is a good bundle to pick up. And then next there are the paper bundles. The first one is the pearlescent paper. There are 5 sheets. I always love to get the specialty paper, and the pearlescent is my favorite. Hopefully my camera is picking up that beautiful shimmer on the pearlescent paper. And then the next bundle is the textured cardstock bundle. So these are A4 size, and they do have a little bit of texture, kind of has a linen look to it. There are actually 8 papers included in this bundle. I didn't do a very good job fanning out all of the colors. There's also a charcoal and a bright pink. Now here's just another look at Love From Lizi's June 2020 card kit. I have provided links in the description box if you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons. This is a monthly kit and quantities are always limited. Lizi's kits sell out every single month, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. Coming soon, I will be sharing the cards I made using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.